Today we wanted to share an unusual experience we had helping a seller prep their home for sale.
I recently worked with a seller who had very stained carpets and he didn't want to replace them prior to putting it on the market.
So that's not really typical, right? Usually sellers want to make their home as appealing as possible, right?
Well, this particular seller thought that the buyers will want to replace all the flooring right after the purchase. So installing new carpet that the buyers might not like or would replace would be a waste of money or effort. He asked if we could just do a seller credit for carpet replacement.
So that seller's opinion about most buyers wanting to replace all the flooring after they move in, that sounds like an overgeneralization. I guess giving a buyer credit at closing could work, but what did you tell this seller?
So I told him that my job as the listing agent is to present his home in the best condition possible and get him the most money at the closing table. And if they left the stained carpet, buyers would focus on that problem of the house and not necessarily on the other benefits and features of the house. So replacing the carpet would present buyers, they wouldn't even notice that the carpet had a problem, and they would be able to focus on all of the bright, clean openness of the house.
Gotcha. Okay. What about advertising a credit for closing? What about that idea?
So one of the things that I have learned is that when advertising a carpet replacement concession brings attention to all the people looking at the house that there's a problem with the house. So then they go into the house and anticipate that the cost of replacing the carpet is going to be 2 to 3 times the actual cost of the carpet. And that means that the seller will most likely net less money.
So it sounds like it's generally a good idea for sellers to invest some money in a carpet replacement because it'll actually benefit them at the closing table.
Absolutely. Once the carpet was replaced, we listed the house, got it under contract in 4 days, and it was closed in less than a month.
Wow. All right, so to wrap that up, it pays to make certain improvements to your house before putting it on the market, and you can usually sell for faster and make more money. If you have any questions about prepping your own house for sale, please contact us. Or if you just need a recommended flooring installer or contractor, you can give us a call also, 970-449-2978. And please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks.
Thank you.